friend! Today we're learning the letter J. J has a special sound. J, J, J. J. J, J, J. J. J is for jaguar. J, J, jaguar. Can you try that? J, J, jaguar. Great job! J is also for jam. J, J, jam. You try now. J, J, jam. Great job! Last one for today. J is also for juice. J, J, juice. You try. J, J, juice. Great job! Great job learning about the letter J today. Thanks for joining me in the Calm Little Corner. I'll see you again next time. Bye!